welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. We thought we would share with you guys our famous, our infamous cheesy bagel recipe. It is so good and a staple around here. We make it at least once a week, if not more.
So we have our cheesy bread here.
The bagels from Market Street.
Yes.
They're so good. I think they have like jalapeno bits in them.
Yes. And then we have our eggs. We'll be whisking up our eggs over there. And then we got some hickory smoked bacon. And we're gonna be doing some Mexican style cheese. We'll be putting some cream cheese on there as well. Very cheesy bagels.
So with this, I get the easiest job. I get to toast the bread.
I'll be in charge of the bacon and the eggs. The bacon is sizzling.
We love this cheesy bagel so much because it's so fast. It doesn't take very long to make. If I could eat these every single day, I would. So this is how you create the cheesy eggs. I've actually never really watched this part, so. Okay, so then what do you do after this?
We just kind of wait for the edges to get a little thick.
Okay, so Carter's on the phone right now, so I'm gonna finish this up real quick. It's so easy. So, cream cheese on the toasted bagel. Then, add the eggs, a slice of bacon, and go ahead and break it up. I like mine extra crispy. Another little thing that we sometimes do, we didn't do it today, is we'll put like a slice of cheese on there. So good. So good. We also either do it with cheesy eggs, which is what you saw today, or we'll do it with like a fried egg. Both are phenomenal. I couldn't tell you which one I love more, but oh, I'm so excited to eat it. Just had his first bite. What do you think? How did we do today?
Very good.
Yeah? 10 out of 10? Wow. Well, that's how you make our cheesy bagel. It's super easy. There's really not much to it. Tag me on Instagram if you make it.
Go bagels.
Go bagels or go home. Or stay home and have a bagel. Bye vlog.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye vlog.